Continuation of previous one. In previous video you have got that 5 1. Now 5 2 if A varies as 1 by C and C. Okay. In 5 2 A varies as 1 by C and C varies as 1 by B. Clear? Then show that A varies as B. Okay. Now here I have to say something, that there are two variation relations. Clear? So you can take two different constant. So from here I am starting A equals to K1. I am writing K1 into 1 by C, where K1 is a non-zero variation constant. And from here we can take K2, another variable, another constant. So K2 is also non-zero. Clear? Now from here A equals to K1 into C means K2 by B. So write down here K2 by B. Clear? Then A equals to B will go there. So K1 by K2 into B. Therefore, we can write A by B equals to K1 by K2. Now, right hand side K1 by K2 is a constant. So from here, what we can write? We can write that A is directly related to B. So A by B constant means we can write A varies as B. This you have to prove. So if there will be two or more variation relation, then you can take more variables like K1, K2, K3. Then number 3. Now number 4 you will see in test paper. Now number 3. A varies as B, B varies as 1 by C and C. Then write the relation of variation between A and B. Okay. A varies as B, B varies as 1 by C and C varies as D. This is given, and it is told that find out the relation between A and D. Okay, from here what we can write? A equals to K1 into B. Here B equals to K2 by C. C equals to K3 into D, where K1, K2, K3 is non-zero variation constant. Okay. Now we have to find out relation between A and D. Sorry, A and D. So here C equals to, we will write down from step by step I am coming. B equals to what? K2 by C, and again C is K3 D. Here again B here. A equals to K1 into B means K2 by K3 into D. Clear? What I have done first? C we have got this. Here we have B equals to C. In place of C I have written K3 into D. Clear? Now here K1 into B. So in place of B I have written K2 by K3 D. Now from here what we are getting? Finally we are getting that A into D, cross multiply. A into D equals to K1, K2 by K3. Right hand side total constant. So product is coming constant. A into D is constant. So when product is constant, then we can write that A varies as 1 by D. So how they are related? They are indirectly related. Clear? Number 4. X varies as Y, Y, Z, Z, X. Okay. Number 4, you will see in test paper. X varies as Y, Y varies as Z, and Z varies as X. Okay. Then find the relation among three constant of variation. Three variation relation are there, so three constant will come. So from here, what you can write? X equals to K1 into Y. From here, Y equals to K2 into Z. From there, Z equals to K3 into X. Now, if I multiply, then left hand side I will get X, Y, Z, and right hand side also X, Y, Z, K1, K2, K3. Okay. You have to find out the relation between K1, K2, K3. So you multiply these three. X left hand side we are multiplying, and right hand side K1 constant I am writing first. Okay. Then there is Y, Z into X. After multiplication, I have got this. Then, from both sides, you can cancel X, Y, Z. Therefore, we are getting K1 into K2 into K3 equals to 1. So, the product of three constant is 1. Clear? This is the relation between these. Product of three constant is 1. In this way you have to do. Now next one, number 6. If x plus y varies as x minus y, okay, it is given and there are many parts. Then show that number 1, okay. From here, what we can write? X plus y equals to k into x minus y. Clear? Then next step, x plus y by x minus y equals to k. Then if I apply componendo and dividendo, applying or using componendo and dividendo, we will get a relation between x and y. Componendo and dividendo. Then x plus y and here right hand side k means k by 1. So we are getting 2x by 2y equals to this. So finally we are getting x by y equals to constant. Clear? So this, it is a big constant. I am writing in place of this as m. You have to write down in bracket where m equals to k plus 1 by k minus 1. Clear? So this you keep in a box. X equals to m into y. This we will apply in all the parts. There are 3 or 4 parts maybe. First one, number 1, 6, 1. Show that x square plus y square varies as x1. You have to show that x square plus y square varies as x1. So this we can prove in indirect way. If we can show that x square plus y square by xy equals to some constant. Then we can write now this varies this. Now I am proving constant is coming or not. Now x square plus y square by xy. X means m into y. So m square y square plus y square and m into y into y. Here y square you can take common, then m square plus 1 and here m into y square, cancel out. So we are getting that x square plus y square by xy equals to m square plus 1 by m. This is a constant. So from here, what we can write? We can write that x square plus y square values as xy. In this way, you can prove. Clear? So this was 6-1. 6-2 and 6-3. In this way, you can do yourself. Now next one you will get in next video.